This is Roscoe opening his present. It's taking a long time.
Very slow process. What is it?
He thinks you probably could have got him better flavored paper.
What is it? What is it?
John, open it up.
Get it.
There you go. Faster. You can do it. Woo!
What is it? Get it. He's probably surprised he's not getting in trouble for doing this.
You think there's a treat already in it?
I don't know. I don't know what it is.
What do you mean you don't know what it is?
I don't. It's my mom sent it.
Oh, that's a dog treat puzzle. Now he's just eating the cardboard. You're like a kid. You don't even care about the toys on the box.
So maybe we shouldn't have let him rip up the instructions?
He's giving up on the toy. It's just all about the paper now. What's in it?
What is it?
What is it? What is it? Open it up. Get it. Arg.
So what do? You put treats in it?
I guess so. Or you just give him a box to play with. He seems to like that. What is it? Well, we'll never know now. He'll have to call. Eat it. Arg, arg. Oh, good dog. Chew on that. Yeah. Yum. I think he likes it. Now we just got to get some little treats. We've got some treats, those little
Yeah,
treats.
those little ones. I'll go get some. Don't hurt your teeth, man, Dopey. Oh, better.
What?
We have tricky trainers.
Yeah, tricky trainer treats. He looks very excited about it.
Stay. Stay. Yeah, we're putting them in the trick-or-treat thing. Wait. 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 Wait.
Very dark.
Oh, sorry.
You're full.
Can you finger it?
Yeah, turned one. I think really what he's thinking right now is, what the fuck? Can't you just hand me the treat? You gotta...
Spin it. Get the treats.